Hello friends, in this video we will find the days difference between two days. For this we enter two dates. First date must be smaller date and second date bigger than first date. Then we enter in the day M, Y, days M, date M and Y, like 22 1 2017, 25 1 2017. This is the month of year. This is the problematic because it can be 29 or 28 depend on leap year. For this we have the function leap year. This is the prototype of leap year not int. We return 1 or 0. If it is leap year then 1. For leap year we y modulus 400 equal to 0 then it is leap year. If my modulus 100 equal to 0 then it is not leap year. If y modulus 4 equal to 0 it is leap year, otherwise not leap year. You can find the logic of leap year anywhere. This is the leap year. Now what we divide this video in two parts. In first part we will calculate the value of if year of those both the dates are same. If it is not same, if it is greater than, we will next video. If it less than, then we will show the message second date must be greater than first date. If M2 the second date month is greater than first date month, it is okay. If both are equal, then we check the condition. If M2 less than M1, then we will show the message second date must be greater than first date. Now let's see, if M1 equal to M2, then we will only find the difference of days. If D2 greater than D1, it is okay. If D1 equal to D2, it is okay. If D2 less than, then we already saw this message second date must be greater than 0. If both are equal, then days difference will be 0. If D2 greater than D1, then difference will be D2 minus D1. So this simplify the logic for in the if condition. If both are equal M1 M2, then we will do this way. Now check M2 greater than M1, Y1 equal to Y2. This condition is already satisfied. Then we will go to M2 greater than M1. For this what we will do, we start from M1, find the days difference remaining day of that month. Suppose M1 equal to 1, first month of January, then if that is 10, the first month is equal to 31 days. We will find the days 31 minus 10, 21. So 21 is the days difference for first date. If M1 is 2, 2 is maybe leap year or not leap year. For this we need to check condition, because year is Y1. We can check year Y1, Y2 because both are equal. So leap year or not leap year, we will pass the value. If it is written 1, then it is leap year, then we will return 29 minus D1. This will the days of remaining month. If else 20 days minus 1. If M1 M2 not 2, then we will find simple M1 minus 1, because array start from index 0, minus D1. This is the days difference. Now we increase the days because we calculate the remaining days and add to day difference. We increase the month of that month. Now M1 increase. Now what we do, we will iterate M1 to M2 less than M2 or M1 M2 minus 1. So what we do, I equal to M1 1, I less than M2 or I less than equal to M2 minus 1. What we do, we can add the month values in between days, in between month. If there is a month 1 or say M2 is 5, then we already get the difference of days M1 days. Now 2 to 4 we will add the month values. So month values store here in between. If suppose M1 or M2 in between 1 or 5, there is a say month 2 that may be 20 or 29. So we will calculate leap year note if Y1 if it's equal to leap year, then we will add the days difference to 29, otherwise we will add the 20 days. If it is not I2, then we will simply days I minus 1, because index is will start from 0. So in this way we will add. Now we add the days from first date, we add the days between months. Now M2 have D2 is the month second days, so we will simply add to days. Now we will add this to print the month. Now let's run this program, build and run. Enter date 12/1/2017, 15/5/2017. Both the year are same. Now let's see. This is 120 days. Now find the calculation for. Start from M1. So this is 12 and 31. There will be 19. This is 20 and 19. 20 is 47. 47, 31 is 78. 78, 30. 108. 108 and 15 is 123. So this get the 123. Thanks. In next video we will see if year is not same. Thanks.